Alright, this is problem number 9. So it says, arrange the following ions: aluminum 3+, fluorine 1-, sodium 1+, and sulfur 2-, in order of increasing ionic size. Okay, so I'll jot down the ones we need real quick here. So there's Al 3+, F-, Na+, and S2-. Okay, and they want increasing ionic size, so smallest to biggest. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to locate these things on the periodic table. I drew the part of the periodic table that we'll need here. So first, here's aluminum, and it says 3+. So we got to remove 3 electrons, basically. So that's 1, 2, 3. So that's isoelectronic with the neon atom. So next on the list is fluorine 1-. Start at fluorine, add 1 electron because it's negative. Goes up. This is also isoelectronic with neon. So another one. Now sodium 1+. Start at sodium, take away 1 electron. It's also isoelectronic with neon. There's starting to be a pattern here. And finally, sulfur 2-. Start at sulfur, count up 1, 2. This is isoelectronic with argon. Okay. So, you remember the rule about isoelectronic series? The rules, which is these 3. The rule says that in an isoelectronic series, the most negative one is the biggest one. So for now, we can say, since these 3 are isoelectronic with each other, we can say that F- is bigger than Na+, which is even bigger than aluminum 3+. All I did was look at the charges, and since they're isoelectronic with each other, the most negative one is definitely the largest. So what remains? Sulfur 2-. We got to put that in the trend somewhere. So remember that the overall rule for ionic size is that it increases as you go down and to the left. Right? So, we got to compare fluorine and sulfur. And sulfur is not only both down and to the left of fluorine, but it's also more negative. So this sulfur 2- is the biggest. So here's our solution. And this is the same as answer choice 2 on the test, although they put it in the opposite order. Yeah, they wanted increasing ionic size, so smallest to biggest, but that's the same thing.